Hello everybody, James again from KSTHL Labels. This videos I want to talk about the production process of woven labels. So how is complete a woven label produced? So first at all, we needed to make the design artwork of the woven label. This is usually provided to by customers. So customers send us the design artworks and tell us the requests, and then we production as the design artworks. So when do we get the artworks? Then our floor writer will use professional program for software on the computer to draw our labels pattern dot by dot. So the dot here represents the stance of the yarns in late on production on the machines. So we have a special the software by the labels. So the masters need use a computer and dot one by one for our logos or design artworks one by one and finish these designs. We also call it floor white, the white floor. So white floor, the masters also is the most important for our woven label factories. So the labels is very production, very clean or some problems. So that's depend on the masters. So that is very important. Are good masters of the white floor. Let's make sure if the labels can make a beautiful or not. When the computer design finished and the factory, the working shop, after the electronic version is completed, and the working shop, the operator will copy the USB desk to our woven label production machines. We needed to copy the floor in the computer to the machines, the labels machines. And then the working shop, the workers will plans the yarns of the corresponding colors on the machines. Every colors, what the yarns, polyester or any materials. So we needed to put it on the machines, and then we can start the production. So what the product is not the finished labels. But a while pieces of fabric label with patterns. So like this. When do the machine for some production finished just like this, the full fabric, that is like our labels like this. So that means like this, just like the full fabric. So it's usually our fabric the width is 20 centimeters, centimeter. Or pieces, the width is 20 centimeter, and the length is low limited, is very long. So we will drawing by drawing or by drawing like this. So if for the molar, the lower qualities labels, so what's the production for the machines while stripped of fabric cut the labels with the vise. So like our labels is two centimeter, so we can cut by on the labels machine is 2 centimeter, like this. This is operation by our label machines together, so we call it hot cut also. But the hot cut is a problem is what is the age, the wide, the edge. The edge is very hard. It's very hard. So we touch it and it's very hard, not soft. So that is not good for our skins. So we always can find some labels can hurt the leg. If the leg label is on here, we can feel it's hurt our skin. So that means the labels, the age is bad. Okay, if for the some good quality labels, so we just finish the fabric on the machines, and then the edge cut we will by ultrasonic cut machines by cut to the labels wise. And when we the cut finished by ultrasonic cut, and then we should put the straight like this straight, the first straight to the folding machines. The ultrasonic cut finished, and next is do the fold. If the labels needed to fold, so we will put on folding machines with under fold, center fold, and material fold, and the stripped cut. If no need any fold, so that is stripped cut. So like the under fold, material fold, and the center fold, and stripped cut. So when do the folding is finished? Also, sorry, I have more operation needed to do. If we do, it is the patch. That is the label, the patch. So like also example like this one actually is a patch. The fabric is finished, then we have to cut by laser cut. So the laser cut will cut by our design like this. So if there is the labels, so we need to do the ultrasonic cut and then fold. So if it is a patch, so and we just do laser cut. So when do all the folding is finished, and we needed to send the labels and to the quality control process. So the quality control process is also a very important process. So we needed to check the labels one by one and find if any labels have with problems. So that's need to check very carefully. When do the quality inspection is finished, so we will do the final packing, and the packing is finished, and then our production or is completed. So that is the production process of the woven labels, what I talk about today. So hope that you can understand it. Thank you.